How to remove the volume limit on Samsung. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set the volume limit or remove the volume limit on your Samsung device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. First thing you need to do is press on any of your volume button like this, and the menu will pop up, so just tap on the three lines. It will open up your entire media settings. So here it contains all of your sliders. So from here, tap on the gear icon to open up your sound and vibration settings. And once you do that, your volume settings will pop up. Now from here, in order to remove the media volume limit, you need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner and tap on media volume limit. So as you can see now, media volume limit is turned on, and this is the limit that you can set. You can also set volume limit pin. Now in order to turn it off, you can just toggle off this option and your media volume limit will be turned off. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.